Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to our online chemistry class of Cosmic School. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. In our previous class, we have learned about a very important conversion from alkane to their corresponding carboxylic acid. In our today's class, we will discuss about how alkenes and alkynes can be converted into their corresponding carboxylic acid. This conversion also involves a series of reactions. There involves 4 different reactions. From alkene we have to prepare alkyl halide. Then alkyl halide converts into corresponding alcohol. This alcohol oxidized into aldehyde, and this aldehyde further oxidized to carboxylic acid. That means by involving these 4 reactions we can get carboxylic acid from alkene. Now let's see this reaction using chemical equation. Take alkene with 2 carbon, that means ethene. Okay, this is ethene, and then this ethene reacts with hydrogen bromide or hydrogen chloride, that means hydrogen halide, and then addition reaction occurs, and this reaction of course needs a special condition. This reaction occurs in presence of hydrogen peroxide catalyst, which is catalyst for this reaction. And then the product is this double bond breaks and converts into single bond, carbon single bond, CH2 single bond to fulfill the tetravalency of carbon, H and H2Cl. Then finally the product is CH3, CH2 and Cl. Sorry, this is bromine, that's why it's bromide. The name of this product is ethyl. This is ethyl group, ethyl bromide. Ethyl bromide. This is our corresponding alkyl halide. First step completed. Then now the second step is the conversion of ethyl bromide into corresponding alcohol. And for this conversion, the reagent is aqueous sodium hydroxide. We have already learned about that. CH3, CH2, ethyl bromide reacts with sodium hydroxide, aqueous sodium hydroxide. You can be shown like that. Sodium aqueous. Then the reaction, this bromide, this is displacement reaction, bromide displaced by OH, and the product is OH, alcohol, ethanol, ethyl alcohol, and sodium goes with bromine, sodium bromide. Okay, we get sodium bromide salt and corresponding alcohol. From ethyl bromide we get ethanol. Second step completed. Then third reaction. The third reaction starts with the product of second reaction, that means ethanol, and now from ethanol we have to get aldehyde. That means here oxidation occurs. Okay, and oxidation occurs by using strong oxidizing agent potassium dichromate and concentrated dilute sulfuric acid, and it produces nascent oxygen. This oxidant produce nascent oxygen which is oxidized the alcohol. Sulfuric acid dilute. Then we get the 2 hydrogen atom removes by this nascent oxygen. That means water removed, and this alcohol turns into aldehyde, and 1 molecule water is produced. This is the third step. This is the third reaction, and then further oxidation occurs, and further oxidation is occurred by the same strong oxidizing agent in presence of same oxidizing agent. Then the reactant is ethanol, and same reagent are used there, and the product is now oxidation, the addition of oxygen. This nascent active oxygen will be added with this aldehyde group, and we get carboxylic acid. Corresponding carboxylic acid, we start with 2 carbon containing alkene, and this carboxylic acid also have 2 carbon atom in their molecule, and the name is ethanoic acid. I think it is properly clear to you. Okay. Another alternative reaction can be used for converting alkene into alcohol directly. In that case, we have to apply a special condition and reagent. This is alkene, and we have to apply high temperature, 300 degrees centigrade temperature and 60 atm pressure, and use a catalyst which is phosphoric acid. And at this condition, alkene can directly convert it into alcohol, CH3CH2OH. Okay, and that means here the reagent is another reactant is water. Then water molecule adds this double bond, and the product is the addition product is ethanol. And after that we have the same procedure we have to follow. Oxidized this alcohol into aldehyde, and aldehyde further oxidation produce carboxylic acid. These series reactions are very important for your exam. These conversions are very important for your exam. Sometimes in your exam, questions may be given as like that. Questions may be given as like that: A, B, C, then D, E, etc. Only mentioning the conditions and the reasons. Only mentioning the conditions like that. Suppose, okay, like that. Then you have to identify the unknown compounds from A to E and write the chemical equations with writing the chemical equations. That's why these conversions are very important for you. Now, from alkyne, how can we get their corresponding carboxylic acid? This involves only two-step reaction. Then alkyne, at first we use alkyne. This is ethyne. Alkyne reacts with water in presence of a special reagent, 2% mercuric sulfate and 20% sulfuric acid. 20% dilute sulfuric acid. That means the mixture reagent is the mixture of 2% mercuric sulfate and 20% dilute sulfuric acid. In presence of this reagent, ethyne reacts with water and produce ethanol. Ethanol. This is also an addition reaction. Water molecule added with this carbon-carbon triple bond. Actually, this one pi bond is break down by water molecule and added, and after that a special rearrangement reaction occurs and we get the final product ethanol or acetaldehyde. Okay, then this aldehyde converts into carboxylic acid by using strong oxidant potassium dichromate and dilute sulfuric acid. Okay, I think all these reactions, all these series of reactions are clear, very clear to you student, and very important, you have to practice it at home. That's the end of our today's class. Be safe, be happy, read regularly and properly. Assalamu alaikum.